The white elephant steps cautiously into the shimmering waters of the river, its powerful legs making ripples as it moves forward in search of food. With each step, it feels the coolness of the water beneath its feet, invigorating and refreshing as it journeys deeper into the river. As the white elephant reaches the riverbank, it scans the area for tasty vegetation, its keen senses attuned to the scents of fresh leaves and fruits. Spotting a cluster of juicy fruits hanging from a nearby tree, the white elephant moves with purpose, its massive body swaying gently as it heads toward the feast.